Hey guys, Meta 35 here, Breakers TV. Happy Monday to everybody, July 11th, 2016. Guys, we're doing 2015 draft jumbo break number 35. Guys, I am going to be putting in some Topps tribute for Sunday. I haven't decided if we should do a full case or half a case or 2 boxes, because I want to also make sure it's affordable for you guys. Boxes run about, I mean, you guys can see a blowout, like, was it 260, 270, I don't know. So it's a high-end product, but I want to make sure, guys, that you can also get into it at a cheap price to enjoy it. I mean, that's what it's about. So I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do, but I have a case coming. I know some people are like, do the whole case, but then it's not kind of fun for people, you know, that want to get into it for cheap. So, because, yeah. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. I still think we're going to pull some nasty stuff out of this. I really, really do. And if I pull a Dansby or a Benadine, Rip and Flip's gonna send me a pizza in the mail. A Totino's 99-cent pizza in the mail. I want to pull a super so bad. Only one I pulled is a Trevor May, my PC. And JHMB got it and sold it. Trevor May, super. I pulled him the nastiest stuff. JHMB. He's never live. He never goes live. Never does. Like, I've made so many mistakes doing breaks. Like, JHMB is a Zebra username that, you know, accident, like the recording didn't happen, and he had like 15 teams, and he's like, oh, whatever. I mean, that's what's so awesome is the trust, guys. Like, some of you guys, like, it's unbelievable. Like, it's awesome. Like, I'm like, I feel so bad that recording didn't work, and he's like, man, I've been breaking with you forever. Like, whatever. Because I've pulled him just nasty stuff, you know. And so, but here you go. Good luck. I'm sure he's waiting for the 16 draft. So. Bray was actually really feel bad, man, about that Braves lot, the prospects. Like, oh man, I can't believe it. Like, some guy just sniped it on Facebook, and like, you would have taken it. I don't care, man. You would have. I would have put you on a payment program of $1 a week. I'm just giving Josh a little bit. You would have flipped out. Like, you would have flipped. Yeah. What's up, honey? What's up, baby? Oh, Maddie's annoying me. My dog, Maddie. Oh, man, like, that's one of those things, like, I mean, it's all about the collecting, you know that. You know, oh, man, you would have just flipped out on that lot. Guys are in this break. Please bear with me. I'm hoping for Wednesday to ship all your stuff out. I'm a little behind, but I don't have breaks for the next 4 days, and so I plan on getting all caught up. So please bear with me. I'm gonna get everything out accordingly. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I gotta run a random giveaway in my Facebook group. God, I mean, that's been like a week now. Oh, it's been crazy. It's been nuts. Nuts. Jeez, Rick, you got a Trevor May? What do you want for it? I actually had one time, but I got rid of it, which is kind of dumb. Last time. Well, do you know who's driven up the Trevor May cards? This guy. I was buying so many at like $1, $2 a piece. Now they're ready to sell for like 7 to 10. I've driven up the price of Trevor Mays. I picked up so many. I'll check out my card site. It's insane. Good luck, guys. Thanks. Here we go. Hopefully we have a fantastic break tonight. Wow, that's not a bad hit. Brian for the Rockies. Dylan Tate. Guys, this guy's getting on fire right now. Dylan Tate. Not a bad prospect. Congratulations to the Rangers. Dylan Tate. Dylan Tate. Congratulations. Dylan Tate. $4.99. Braxton Davidson for the Braves. Hear my dog drinking water next time. Here we go. Tomas Astros. Riviera and Jake Rays and Nationals are your refractors. I know what I'm missing. I'm missing my fan. I have a fan, and I'm missing my fan base. You can. I think there is somewhere that keeps track. I'm not sure though, but I think there is some place that keeps track. Matt Olson for the A's and Brandon Mariners. But then again, it kind of ruins the product too. Rip and flip, you know. Ryan for the Cardinals refractor. Because a product like National Treasures Baseball this year, it's hot, but it's not as hot as it could be because of the Babe Ruth being pulled and because of other cuts being pulled. And so the chase is gone, if that makes any sense. When the chase is gone, the product goes down. Amaro and Tate, Red Sox and Mets. This is kind of a little different because it's prospects, but compared to that, Jagger, Red Sox, and Cody Jones, the Royals. Purple, 236 out of 250. Cody Jones. Well, that's what people say, Rip. That's what people say, my man. People say when the good cards are pulled, it drives down the product. I don't know. That's what they say. That's what they say. Andrew Benedine. Andrew, Red Sox. Tomas and Matt, Mets and Braves are your refractors. And base. Here we go. There's my boy, Tyler J. Carl and Kevin, A's and Blue Jays, and not too bad. Another decent prospect. This might be a decent prospect break. Christian Stewart, the Tigers. Where's the color at? Where's the dang color? Christian Stewart. Tigers. Not too bad of a hit. Not too bad. $4.99. Tyrone Taylor. Paper for the Brewers. Alright, here we go. And base. I want to see some color. I want to see some color. Base. Kyle Freeland, Rockies, Bowman Scouts, and David and Brett, Marlins and Angels refractors. And base. Base. Brendan and Adam, Brett Walker, Twins and Diamondbacks, and Justin Tacoma. I'm shaking a little bit. I don't know why. Marlins. I'm shaking a little bit. I don't know if it's my blood sugar. My family has a history of diabetes, but I don't know. I thought I was still in the clear, but I don't know. I'm shaking a little bit. And base. Meth addict. Dude, don't be saying that because caffeine can't affect me, guys. Rip, caffeine can't affect me. I have massive ADHD. So basically, I do take meth. Thanks there, Emmett. Appreciate it. Nick Gordon and Juan Hillman, Indians and Twins. Franklin for the A's. Gold paper. I take a bunch of Vyvanse. Matt Hall for the Tigers. That's why my body. That's why I'm so tired right now. Everything's out of my system, so my body's shutting down. Gold. I love gold. And base. Where'd Easy Cheesy go? Did Easy Cheesy just jet? What a goober. Lucas Giolito, Nationals. Anthony, Astros, and Courtney Hawkins, White Sox. And base. Let's see them track marks, Mater. Jeez, God. What? Did you just say that on a friendly family site? Gosh. There we go. Andrew Benedine refractor. Red Sox. That's cool. Hayes, Pirates. Refractor, Willie. Kyle Freeland, Brennan Rodgers, Rockies. Cole Stewart refractor, Twins. Trevor for the Padres. Benedine, there we go. Benedine. Benny. I'm a Benny Puller. Between him and Dansby. It's insane, but I guarantee you if I was opening product for myself, I'd never pull them. Never get that lucky. Christian Stewart for the Tigers. Matt for the Tigers. Tyler Danish. He's got a lot of Danishes. Danish. White Sox. Chrome. And basic. Trevor who? Trevor McGill. $4.99 for the Padres. Paper. Tristan, Indians. Hey, did that package come today? Matt Olson, Richie Martin. Did your Dansby's come today? Amiro, there's another player. And Brandon for the Pirates. Sweet. Oh yeah, you have to pick up the next one. Delivery confirmation, baby. Signature. I want to see that Herbie Hancock on there. Only way you're getting it. Only way. Pulling that nasty. Gotta see the Herbies. Herbie Hancock. Spencer and Lucas. White Sox. Braves. Sean Newcomb. Oh, I guess that's not a refractor. Regular. Where are the damn autos at? Base. Let's keep rolling. Here we go. Carson Fulmer, White Sox. Matt Olson, Jeff, Yankees and A's. All your refractors. Base. Paper. Herbie Hancock. Herbie, come on now. It's Herbie. Tommy Boy. Oh, I hope this is an out of this green coming up. John and Daniel. And Thomas for the Mets. Green refractor. 72.99. Green. I know we got color. Got some color in there. So pretty. We only pulled 2 autos so far. And base it up. Here we go. Oh, we got a blue coming up. One time. Ian Happ. Hop. Cubbies. Domingo. Diamondbacks. And shoot. Walker. Blue refractor for the Dodgers. 39 of 150. Walker. I want the blue. Blue autos are sweet. I think blue autos are sweet, but there's no such thing as blue autos, is there? I don't think so, no. There's no such thing as blue autos. Right? There's no blue autos for autos. Is that correct? Right? Is there blue? Yeah, there's no auto for blues, right? Or is there? No, that's what I thought, no. But they're neat. I think there should be. Alex Reyes. Oh, there we go. That's a nasty. This guy's really coming along. Kevin Newman. That baby looks perfect for the Pirates. That's another nice prospect, guys. Congratulations to the Pirates. Kevin Newman. Very nice. That's clean. That baby's clean. That baby's clean. Kevin Newman, Pirates. Got some potential in that boy. Kevin Newman. Alright, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Base. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes it does. Hopefully. Jorge for the Phillies. Kobe for the Braves. Bradley for the Indians. And Nick for the Mariners. I want to see some color autos. This is ridiculous. Usually with this, I bet I pull I don't know, but I bet a Brandon Rogers comes out. Nick, Mariners. I have a feeling that a Brandon Rogers. Let's see. I have a feeling of Brandon Rogers, but don't quote me on it. But I just have a feeling Brandon Rogers is coming. Well, we might have some action on this one. See the little color underneath? See that? You see that? What is that? Oh, it's all thick. That's a thick one. Oh, we might have something cool coming. Oh, it's just this guy. Shoot. There's the bottom of this. Dylan Tate. Rangers. Got all excited for nothing. Got all excited for nothing. Trey and Tyler. Pirates and Tigers. Raptors and Pace. Got all excited for nothing. As a Dylan Tate insert. Base. Peter and Romero, Marlins and Rockies. Jordy, Mariners refractor and base. Toronto base. Brandon Rogers, Michael and Connor, Astros and Rangers. Roman Quinn for the Phillies, and oh, I told you! Do it again, and I'm so sorry, Bravos. You're gonna hate me. Damn. Man, I tell you what, that is nasty. And look at the auto. Like, normally his auto is a little sketchy, if you guys notice, and that baby is a 10. That baby is a 10. Wow. That, my friend, is nasty. Congratulations to the Braves. Sick. Sick, sick, sick. Austin Riley, 21/99. Dang. I did, but that's sick. This baby, oh man, I feel bad for you. Man, that was a nasty card. That's true. Yeah, that's a nasty card. That's what 850 brings you. Oh, puke. Who has the Braves? You know? Don't tell me it's JHM.B. Don't tell me. Don't tell me it's him. Man. He's going to watch the video and shoot if it's JH. I don't know who it is. Tyler Glasnow for the Pirates. Taylor Ward. Reese McGuire, Pirates. And there's Walker. Walker for the Dodgers. Absolutely, Bravos. Hey, man. I'm poor too, dude. There's so much PC I want to buy and I can't right now. It's insane. Here we go, guys. Another sick break. A lot of good prospects in this break today. Here we go, guys. Swanson. Refractor for the D-backs. Diamondbacks. Dansby. And we got Corey and Jimmy. Refractors. That's it. Oh man, filthy. Another filthy one, guys. That case is nasty. I don't care what anybody says. I think there's going to be a Brendan Rodgers in there or something. I think it's nasty. Nasty. Alright, let's do a recap real quick. Filthy. Walker for the Dodgers. Nick, Mariners. Kevin Newman, very nice prospect. Pirates. Gold Matt. Tigers out of 50. Christian Stewart. A lot of good prospects out of this one. Tigers. Dylan Tate, Rangers. And here we go. Austin Riley, green for the Braves out of 99. Guys, Mater 35 here. Breakers TV. Just completed a 2-box break 2015 Jumbo Draft Baseball break number 35. Guys, thank you so much for joining in tonight's break. Hope you guys have a fantastic evening. Thanks again, guys.